Have you ever felt like you're being watched? In today's video, we're making this mysterious eye soap, guys. This soap is creepy to me. Join me and see how I was able to make it. Hello, good day, good evening, good night. Hello again. My name is Natacia and welcome to my channel. Let me tell you, this soap, this design was not my intention, but we're going to get into how I was able to make this creepy, scary, I got my eyes on you soap. First and foremost, I want to say this. You guys, all that's watching this channel, all that's watching this video, I send you high vibrational, positive energy to you, your family, your friends. I just wish you guys all the best. I'm saying that because there's so many things happening and I just feel like everybody's being affected by something. And I don't know about you, but I need a good vibes positivity injection. I mean, like, can I get off of high alert already? My goodness. Sheesh. So what I really wanted was for the color batter to go deep down into the base batter, which is like that greenish color, and it was not cooperating, you guys. It just was not listening to me, and I am determined for it to be a positive experience, so I kept going. So I was just attempting to do, a technique, and I noticed that the soap was getting too thick, so I wasn't going to be able to do the actual technique design that I wished to do. So I kept going, guys. I was like, you know what? I'm going to keep going. I'm going to just see what comes out of it. And when I cut this soap, I was like, what's going on? What in the creepy crawl is this going on here? At this point, I didn't know what the inside of the soap was going to look like. I did feel like when I pressed the gear tie down the middle of the soap, something was off. But the outside looked beautiful, and look at the top. Oh my goodness, that just looks beautiful. Move it along, Mr. Spider. Move it along. All right, you guys, let's go. Let's see what the soap looked like 2 days later. Now this is definitely an experimental soap. I'm experimenting with these designs. I love how they came out. They're clear, they're precise. I'm still working on that, but I love how it decorates the outer part of the soap. Now we're gonna get to cutting this soap, and we're gonna see what this inside look like. Are you guys ready for the soap cut? Alright, now hold on to your third eye. What in the... Look at this soap. It looked like the most judgmental owl eye I've ever seen. First of all, I'm gonna need you to save your judgment eye. Save your judgment. You guys, this soap shocked the crap out of me, okay? It shocked me because I thought my gear tie went straight down the middle, and apparently it moved over or something. And so part of it got the swirl and part of it didn't, and it caused like this high eyebrow, judgmental eye madness in the soap. Now you tell me, is it an eagle eye? Is it an eagle eye? Is it an owl eye? Is it an eye of an owl? Is it grandmama's eye when you misbehaving in church and she has that eye like, you just wait till we get home? Is it the eye of the tiger? Is it your co-worker's judgmental eye? Or is it the you better not be lying eye? Is it the I know my boss didn't give me another shift to work eye? Nah, it's the go ahead, make my day eye. This eye was looking at me. It just looked like it don't believe nothing. I don't believe nothing you saying, Miss Eye. Are you sitting down looking at this video with your drinky drink in your hand saying, yo, next time she said I'm take a shot? I'm saying though, what kind of eye is this? And why is it in my soul? And why is it judging me? You guys tell me, does it look like an eye to you? Or does it look like something else? Now, there are several reasons why this design came out like this, aside from happened circumstance. So for one, my base soap was too thick. Number two, when I poured in the colored soap, it just pulled right there in the middle. And number three, when I pushed the gear tie down, it missed that section. So that's why it looks like an eye. Now, if I had to try to do this on purpose, I don't know. But here's kind of some of the design that you see right here where I was kind of going for. But the soap was just way too thick. This is off the random, but guys, don't owls look distrusting? Like, look at an owl. Like, if you was walking out at night and you saw that owl turn his head 360 and look at you, how would you feel? Would you feel like you could trust that owl? They look suspect. Owls look real sneaky, like daggone hyenas. Oh gosh, hyenas look so sneaky and conniving. Now this is actually really pretty, you guys. It looks ribbon, like a ribbon flower. And if it was to go all the way down, it would have really captured the soap. But even where it's at, it's still really, really, really pretty to me. Clean up on aisle 7, please. Clean up on aisle 7. I'm gonna need y'all to hurry up. Y'all don't see there's glowing eyes walking around here. I'm scared. Get up and clean up aisle 7. So now it's time to polish and clean up our soap. Get rid of these rough edges, and look at that. It actually just makes the soap even more polished and nice looking. This is one of my favorite parts of soap making. It's just actually bringing it all together, cleaning it up, add the accessories, whatever you have to do to kind of make your soap look really nice and presentable. To me, it's just gives the soap character when you can just actually figure out a way to make it look different and nice. And look at the eye. The eye is just sitting out, you guys. That eye is just like, listen, don't romp with me. Like, this eye in the soap is just very creative. The only part I didn't show you guys is when I actually plane the soap to make it flat on either side, because I didn't like how there was some parts of the soap that was higher than others, and I wanted to look nice and flat. So that's the only thing I didn't show you in the final product. But what do you guys think? Do you see an eye? Do you see a flower? Do you see something else? Do you see cactus? What do you guys think? I don't know about you, but when I put these soaps together, they look very creepy in a good way, you guys, in a good way. If you was taking shots every time I said hopefully you are sober enough to click on another video. Protect your beautiful skin and your beautiful energy. Please click like and share my videos. I'm trying to grow, and I will see you guys on the next one.